Welcome back, students. So now we are going to discuss the theme of this short play, that is central idea. What the playwright Terence Rattigan wants to convey the message to the readers, to us. Here one thing is clear. On their conversation we come to know, or we get to know, between a student and a teacher. It means Tableau and Frank. That students judge their teachers by their teaching methods. Right? Though the content is good or pretty enough, but still if it is not taught by the proper way, by using the proper method, so students they will not understand, or they could not understand this content. So that is why, after all, it depends on the teaching method, the way he presents before the students. So here Tableau, he gave one example. Which example? Agamemnon the play, that he gave example as Aeschylus, that the play is good enough, no problem, the plot is very good, in which a wife murders her husband, but the way it is taught to us, that is not good enough according to Tableau. It means he objects here the teaching methods of the teacher. And Mr. Crocker Harris, he is a classical language teacher who teaches literature to the students of lower 5th grade. Right? So next, not only their teaching methods, but students used to judge communication skills of the teacher. Next, interaction, then nature and behavior, everything that the students used to judge. This is one more thing. Next, students appreciate virtues and condemned shortcomings. This is the fact. If you have some virtues as a teacher, students will appreciate, but they will also condemn, criticize your shortcomings, whatever the vices or the shortcomings you have, that they will criticize or condemn. Next, students should not, next theme that we can say here, overall the discussion, through the discussion we can come to the conclusion, or we can make one point here, that the student, they should not criticize a teacher in front of another teacher. Am I clear? The way here Tableau did, that he criticized Mr. Crocker Harris in front of another teacher, science teacher, that is Mr. Frank. And it should not happen. The playwright, the writer wants to say, the student should not do it. It is an improper, it is not proper way to deal with the things. Next, here the writer wants to put before us, present the ideal or the good qualities of a teacher in the form of Mr. Crocker Harris, that he is an honest teacher, plus he dedicates his dedication, his discipline, the way he used to obey the rules of the school management, everything. Even he does not announce the result before the formal announcement by the headmaster. It means he used to follow all the rules there. All other qualities we can include here. That's the ideal qualities a teacher is needed, or he should have all these qualities. Next, Mr. Frank. As a science teacher, the way he tries to encourage Tableau or another students, or a student, to speak something against Mr. Crocker Harris. It means Frank's colleagues. Because Frank is also a teacher, Crocker Harris is also a teacher. So one teacher encourages students to speak against the another teacher. So that is totally improper thing, not good. So then Frank, he lacks commitment, involvement, honesty, and no care for rules there. We have seen, even he lacks commitment or the devotion for his own subjects. Who? Mr. Frank. he made the statement, he said to Tableau that I am not interested in science. I have to teach, though I have to teach that subject, but I am not interested at all. It means lack of involvement, commitment, devotion for the provision for the subject, knowledge. So then honesty and no care for the rules. And he doesn't care for the rules. He used to announce the result before the prior announcement, formal announcement by the headmaster or the school management. Right? So in this way, so many other themes that we can include here. One more thing is coming, that the question may come, do you think is it proper that the student should criticize the teacher in front of another teacher? So the answer would be no, not at all. It is not a proper thing. It is an improper way to teach or to criticize the teacher in front of another teacher. Right? So in a different, various angles the questions will be there. So we need to think about this play, about their conversation on different angles. Right? If you read, if you go through in detail word by word dialogues, if all the dialogues when you read, that time you will come to know that what is the intention of the writer or the playwright here, Terence Rattigan. So in this way, here in detail we have discussed the summary of this play, including now the theme or the central idea. I hope you might have understood it clearly, each and everything. So if you have any doubt, that we can solve in the live session. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a fruitful day.